Slam it down, Edward. Throw it down. Throw it down.
Come on, Edward, throw it on the floor.
Slam it to the floor. Come on, take it to the floor now. Slam it down. Throw it down. Throw it down, Edward.
He's holding on to it.
Okay, now take it to the wall for me.
Come without us. Yeah,
Come on, take it to the wall. That's it. Take it to the wall, Edward. Go on, Edward, take it to the wall.
That's it.
Come on, push it towards the landlady. Push it towards Sue for me.
Come on, Edward, show me what you can do.
Show her how you can lift it, Edward.
I can't.